Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video was a mail call from my good friend Yves Schott of Schotty's Diecast in Luxembourg. Yves is a longtime friend of the channel. We actually met up in Luxembourg City a while ago, and after a great restaurant lunch we exchanged some customs, and then he gave my wife and I a guided walking tour of the old city. That was a rare meetup with someone from the Diecast community, but we're almost neighbors, and it's a great memory of a terrific day together. This is maybe the third or fourth care package that Yves has sent to me, and I appreciate each and every one of them. The very first thing I see in the box is going to get set aside and saved to the end. We'll kick things off with a Hot Wheels Di Macchine Veloce. That looks just like an Alfa Romeo that I'm working on right now. Here's the Mighty K. That one's got lots of customizing options. 3 customs in this box. I'll set that off to the side as well and see what's in this unmarked container. One, two, three, 4 cars. The first one is a Siku, and the name of the casting is the Siku Sniper. This is the Apollo IE. It actually has gold wing doors on it. I didn't catch that until afterwards. Very cool. As is the Hot Wheels McLaren P1. Yves knows that I like my exotics. And here's one I've never even seen before. It's the Maserati Quattroporte from Hot Wheels. I was actually wondering the other day if Hot Wheels did a Maserati. Now I've got one in hand. Thank you, Yves. Let's check out these customs. I got a preview pic of the Porsche that's coming, but I don't know what these are. Oh, that's a rally car. Check this out. That's a Hot Wheels Audi Sport Quattro. Beautiful job. If you're not familiar with Yves' custom work, then let me introduce you because I think his work stands up to anyone's. This is absolutely beautiful, detailed on the bottom as well. Look at the sponsor decals and the perfect finish on that. Outstanding work, Yves. Green metallic one. That's a Cougar Eliminator. 1969. I love the paint choice. Got some custom artwork on that. Look at the tail lights. Custom license plate. Realistic detail on the exhaust system. Didn't miss a thing. Another rally car. That's the Ford Escort RS 2000. Done up in Martini livery. Wow. Headlights, front grille, license plates, wheel swap. Yves, you have got the touch. Those are just great. I'm so lucky to have these. Now, I did get a preview pic of this Yves entry for my annual all-Porsche Invitational celebrating my YouTube channel's 6th anniversary. The theme is pay it forward by giving your car away. You don't need to send them to me. Yves often does. He's just that generous. Let me show you what he did this year. That's a Porsche 934.5. RWB livery, number 6 for the 6th anniversary. Samad wheels. Look at the clear coat finish on this. Just makes those details look so good. More suspension highlights. Racing stripes. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Thanks, Yves, for the Porsche, the Customs, the Loosies, and the 2 new ones in blister packs. And thanks everybody for watching today. It's coffee time.